Hi, this is Peggy, fresh back from Lancaster, found a new product that we're going to work with. I am having a class at Kids Camp. It's going to be from ages 8 to adult. Anybody could do this. Have an old pair of sneakers? Well, we can customize them with bling, with lace, with fabric, your choice. You can go from this floral sneaker here and to this with customizing the back of your sneaker as well as the front. I have a grandson that loves Marvel Comics, so we made this Spider-Man shoes. In addition to this, once you're done with it, it is absolutely waterproof. This is a great project for bonding activity with family members. Grandparents and grandkids can do it together, moms and daughters. Come on in. You can make your shoes filled with superheroes, books, astronomy. Your new sneakers will show off your true self.